You ever sit at your job and wonder, is this really what I'm doing with my life? 9 to 5 weekends too short. Mondays feel like punishment, and you're just trying to survive the system while your dreams collect dust. Let me show you how to actually escape the 9 to 5. Not with hype, not with vague motivation, but a real strategy. Step 1. Stop lying to yourself. You're not stuck. You're just scared. Scared to fail, scared to start late, scared to try something new and not be great at it. But here's the truth, no one's coming to save you. You either build a life by default or by design. Step 2. Pick your exit path. There are only 3 real ways people escape the 9 to 5. 1. Build a service. Freelance, agency, skill-based hustle. 2. Build a product. Digital course, ebook, physical item, app. 3. Build content. YouTube, TikTok, faceless channels, newsletters. Pick one. Master it for 90 days. Don't switch, don't dabble. Go deep and monetize fast. Step 3. Use your job to fund the escape. Don't quit too early. Let your job pay for your freedom. Use 20% of your check to invest in tools, training, and gear. Cut BS expenses that don't buy your time back. Every dollar should go to speeding up your exit. Your 9 to 5 is fuel, not your future. Step 4. Build a system that prints value. Whether it's editing, reselling, delivery driving, or digital drops, you need a system, not a hustle. Systems. Work when you're not online can be delegated or automated. Create content, leads, or passive income. No system, no escape. Step 5. Build in public. Start posting your journey. Even if no one watches. Even if it's not perfect. Why? Because documenting creates momentum, brand, proof, and trust. Every content post is a digital asset that builds your future. Start now. Don't wait to be ready. Step 6. Replace one bill. Then 2, then all. You don't have to match your entire paycheck at once. Start by replacing your phone bill, rent, groceries, health insurance. Break your freedom down into small, winnable milestones. One income stream, one chain snapped. Step 7. Create leverage. Leverage is what separates freedom from frustration. Here's how. Use credit, smartly, to buy tools, ads, and time. Use content to attract money while you sleep. Use networking to multiply your reach. Without leverage, you're just replacing one job with another. Final truth. Most people don't escape the 9 to 5 because they never commit long enough to win. They get impatient. They scroll more than they build. They look rich online but broke in real life. Don't be most people. Start now. Stack slow, launch loud. This is Mind on Millions. Learn. Hustle, grow.